Hello everyone, my name is Tomas Hatas and I am happy to present to you a short demo for this web page. This web page was created for my master thesis at the Friedrich Alexander University in Nürnberg-Erlangen at the Chair of Technical Information Systems. The purpose, you can see here, was to develop the refined modeling language for team design patterns to represent the human-agent collaboration, to facilitate the comprehension, the understanding for different user groups or stakeholders. If you would like to get more familiar with this topic, you can click on further reading, and there are a couple of publications. You can just click and you will be redirected to the platform accordingly. Use case. I think it's a good idea to run a use case or to introduce the fictional use case. Let's imagine an employee, let's call it Thomas, works for multinational retail corporation of supermarkets, and his activity is to fill the shelves with the products. However, he comes with an idea how to speed up, to make it more efficient, and that's why he comes up with an idea to use the robots. The idea behind this is that Thomas is going to walk in the supermarket, checking the shelves and giving the commands, thanks to the smartphone, to the robot. And the robot, consequently, is going to fill the shelves with the products. However, an employee, yes, Thomas, I don't have any technological skills to convey this idea to project manager. That's why this modeling language is very handy, because I can, based on this visual diagram, I can communicate, discuss the idea of the human-agent collaboration to the project manager, and consequently project manager can later communicate this idea to the developer. Of course, developer needs a UML diagram in order to convert it to the source code. However, as an outline or first overview, how the human-agent collaboration should work, this communication tool is very good. If I click on Home, as an employee, Thomas, I can select relevant dimensions of the human-agent collaboration. In this case, the human can show physical work is not relevant, not applicable. Does the human perform physical work? Well, physical work can be defined as well as manipulating with any physical object. And in this case, I'm using a smartphone, so it's definitely yes. However, not reducing the distance to a common goal, but making a team more effective, because the agent reduced the distance to a common goal, because in fact, he or she fills the shelves with the product. Does the human perform cognitive work? Is the same, yes, but only making them more effective, because the agent performed the cognitive work. He needs to think how many products needs to be filled into the shelves. So this is the distance to the common goal. Visual communication between both actors is visual. In this particular case, what is the distance or interaction? In this case, it's remote mode. Imagine a robot can be on one side of the supermarket and another employee can be on the other side of the supermarket, and they communicate with the smartphone, so it's remote mode. What is the level of supervision actor executes? Actor is, in this case, it's an agent, executes a command from team member. This is the human. Who triggers this level of supervision? Human. There are some other questions which are not relevant for this specific use case, so I just click on generate. Here you can see on the left side there is a human, and on the right side there is an agent. The colors, the light blue, represent kind of that it makes the team performance more efficient. But the dark blue, this is the reducing the distance to the shared common goal for this human and robot. Here, this rectangle represents the physical work, and this arrow represents the giving commands to the agent. The I represents the visual communication channel, and these two gray bars represent the remote location. Of course, if you would like to make another use case, you can just answer these questions and generate a new one, a new visual diagram. If you would like to have a look at the resource code, well, right now I'm without internet. No, it's here. So this repo is public, so it means that feel free to have a look. And if you have any questions, please contact either me or the Technical Information Systems at the Friedrich Alexander University in Nürnberg, Erlangen. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.